Whether you enjoy a leisurely round of 9 holes on the weekend or you're a serious athlete preparing for your next big competition, chances are you've sustained an injury doing what you love. That's why it's so important to know where to go if you do get injured. And the answer is right here at the Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute. And joining me today is Dr. George Eldayrie. Welcome. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So you specialize in sports medicine and you treat everybody from somebody who tried pickleball for the first time this past weekend and hurt their knee to professional athletes. What is the most common injury you see?
I get to see a lot of injuries and take care of a lot of athletes of all different shapes and sizes, from amateurs to professionals and anywhere in between. So injuries are just absolutely prevalent in sports and activity, and we see all different kinds. I think the most common in weekend warriors probably shoulder strains, rotator cuff injuries, maybe some elbow injuries, and then more of the professional athletes that are our soccer players, we're definitely working on their lower bodies. You know, they get a lot of ankle stuff, knee stuff. So they're being treated the way all of our patients are being treated, honestly. They have, we do the same thing for our patients, the way we facilitate their care, their injections, maybe their imaging, all of that kind of stuff is very, very similar. And truthfully, the hands-on care that we provide is pretty much the same, and it's a joy. I mean, I love it.
But the best course of action is to never get injured in the first place, right?
Sure, in an ideal world, we never get hurt, right?
So that said, you know, you can't prevent everything from happening in your life, but there are some things that we can do that will make it less likely that we get injured. What do you recommend?
Injuries are a part of being active and getting out there and going for it, and that's a great thing. And when injuries happen, we commend patients for trying and being out there, and that's a beautiful thing. We want our population to be active. So to prevent it, it's sometimes impossible. Even the best athletes in the world get injured. But there are some things you can do to help mediate how your body's going to respond and prepare for the demands of your body, depending on the activity you're going to do. Strength is a huge part of it, just in being able to take the demands of sports and the trauma that comes with some types of sports. But there's also the flexibility component that's really important. There's balance, there is your proprioception, understanding where you are in the world and the environment so you can react, your reaction time and speed. All of these things can actually be trained, and you can prepare and work on these things so to help you prevent injury and to be better in sports, actually to perform better.
If you would like more information, you can visit orlandohealth.com/ortho.